Today I want to show you how to make a very cheap and effective tubing spool using some standard parts from the hardware store. We've got a $4 to $5 5-gallon bucket, some 1/2-inch PVC, a T. Okay, all you're going to need for this build is some 1/2-inch PVC pipe that we've cut to 1 foot lengths, a 1/2-inch 4-way T, a step bit that goes up to 7/8 inch, which is about the OD of the pipe, and a bucket. So we use the step bit to drill holes in all 4 sides of the bucket here, and then we're just going to assemble this with the T inside. Slide your tubing in, fit those all up. Okay, one final step for making this so you can unspool it easily next year. Drill 1 hole to the side of the T in there, again using your 7/8 step bit. Take 1 2-foot long piece of PVC, drill a hole in the lid. You're going to pop the lid on, put that all the way through, and then you've got a spool. Okay, here we are. We've got the piece sticking out the lid, piece sticking out the bottom, and then you can just hold each side of that like a set of handles and let it spin around on that pipe and unspool the tubing as you hang it up the following year. All right, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.